because machine learning is about learning, it's constantly evolving. So there's a more of a necessity to constantly improve and update and adapt the model. And so it does change more often. It needs to change more often than a traditional, if you think of like an SAP implementation, there was sort of, 3 or 4 years ago, it might have changed now a little bit. There were quarterly releases. They would change only quarterly, whereas machine learning is A, learning all the time. So it's actually real-time change. And B, you need a better model to improve the predictive outcomes and those sorts of things. So I think that ability to be that agile comes into play across all of these things, right? So whilst you're talking about having, what sounds like quite a clear governed set of activities and steps, actually what it's allowing is much better agility around how decisions are made, how outcomes are produced, and your ability to react quickly. So it sort of seems to me that you've got this kind of this thing that might potentially kind of run away with itself, and these guardrails put in place to stop that. But it's also an enabling factor, right?
It's exactly what you said. It's both guardrails and enabling. You asked in the beginning, where can AI go here, and what is that direction? And without having this foundation for you, the company, looking all the time and being able to have that visibility of what actually is going on, that would be the foundation for those iterations you would need naturally to get to the right place you need to be in 2 and 4 years around AI for your company. Without this, it would just be, hey, I'm deploying here, George is deploying there, and there's no coherent picture of what's actually going on.